Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a kind of like video inside text edit on CapCut PC. So go to text first and add this in your kind of track, your timeline. And I'm just going to type down moon. I'm also going to change the font, and I'm just going to adjust the size. After that, I'm going to go to media, and I'm going to go to library, and I'm going to select this black background, and I'm just going to add it to track like this. Now select both of it, right click, and select create compound clip. Now you're going to just add in any video that you want. I'm just going to add this one up here. And I'm just going to add this one down there. For the second video, go to blend mode and choose the darken one. Let's see, you can also choose color burn if you'd like. You can also adjust the opacity if you want to show some of the video like so. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!